What's going on, guys? My name's Alex and today I'm back with another trade recap. So today I'm going to be going over my trade on gold that made me $1,250.10 within 15 minutes. So let's take a look at that. So if we're looking right here, we're looking at the daily chart, 1 minute, 1 day chart on gold. And as you can see, it took a beating today. It's down $9 or 0.64% right now. So with that being said, let's move over to JDST, which is the inverse of gold. So gold pushes up, JDST pushes down, or as we saw today, gold was doing nothing but pushing down, so we see an uptrend on the day for JDST. So if we look over here, it had a few runs on the day and one really big run at market open. So let's take a look at that because that would be the run that I traded this morning. So if you want to go ahead and count the candles, I bought in at this red pullback right here. I sold at that strong green candle right there. That's 15 1-minute candles or 15 minutes. That's how long this trade took place. Just thought I should note that. So let's move in. So okay, as you can see right here, it opened strong with one really big green candle, another one, and it started to slow down. It pulled back. I actually thought it was going to test the EMA line of support and bounce off of that. As I saw gold was selling off in the day, I knew JDST would continue to push up. So as we can see right here, it pulled back. It doesn't always have to touch the EMA. It can head towards it, find a support, and continue to uptrend. Though I did find it weird because we were in the overbought zone this entire uptrend up until about right here on this red candle. So let me check my trade. All right, JDST, I bought 1,500 shares at 16.89 on this little pullback right here, as I saw it wasn't going to touch the EMA line and the momentum was still in its favor. So I bought in right here with 1,500 shares, continued riding it up, watched two little pullback candles right here, though it wasn't going anywhere near the EMA, wasn't sparking a downtrend, so nothing to be worried about. And up here, when I saw that it was starting to lose momentum, I did a really good play on this candle, as you can see, because it started selling off right here. So as soon as I saw that it topped out and could not get past, let's see, what was the high on this, 1774. When I saw that it wasn't going to get past it, I sold 1,500 shares at 1773 for $1,260 profit, or minus 2 commissions, $9.90. Overall, I made $1,250. Okay, so the question is, how did I know to take this trade and what indicated it? So first off, looking at the RSI, that was a complete no-go. It should have told me actually not to take the trade, but I went against the indicators and actually took it. So that just goes to show that indicators don't always tell you whether you should take a trade or not. They're just kind of there as criteria. Okay, so moving over to the MACD. MACD was in favor of JDST, so no issue there. There's a good buy opportunity there. And volume obviously picking up right at the open. The volume was there. There's a lot of volume. Easy to get in, easy to get out, fast fill. So besides all of that, none of my indicators really told me to take this trade, but besides, the MACD and volume being there. But RSI was a complete no-go. Normally I would not take trades in the overbought zone. That's just stupid. Anyways, I've been watching gold all night. With the way the market's been lately, gold has been selling off. I knew that gold would continue to sell off today, pushing JDST up even more. So I knew that taking a trade, I would most likely be safe taking a trade on JDST based on the overall direction of gold. So that's one thing you want to pay attention to when you're taking trades, is more so than just the news on the day. I mean, that's very important, like news drives prices up and down, but more so than that, you really don't want to take a trade if it's in an overall downtrend pattern. You want to pay attention to overall patterns and up or down trends before even taking a trade, because in the market, history tends to repeat itself, and just pay attention to little things like that. So that's my recap on trading gold today, or JDST. So I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, as it helps this channel out very much and is very much so appreciated at that. If you'd like to join our free Discord trading server, that will be the first link in the description. Also, if you'd like to check out our daily investing Instagram page, that will be the second link in the description. There's plenty of useful resources on there. feel free to check either of those out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.